Binisita na rin miyembro ng US-Philippine Society king Minalin bang mimye saup king Santo Rosario National High School o SRNHS, ing metong kareng mumunang Starlink-powered na eskwela king Pampanga. Dinurot la kareng klaseng gagamit ng internet connection na makabayong mode of teaching king karelang pamag-aral. Agpangkang Mayor Philip Nagit, internet connected na larang ega-naganang eskwela king Minalin. Pauli nining donation na ng US-Philippine Society a 14 Starlink units a party pa kareng adwara ng menu ng binye. Mimyela namang 30 computer units at 55-inch smart TV keng SRNHS. Penumunanan ng board member na ng USPH Society at presidente ng Smart Development Institute ay Roberto Llames ing pamagbisita. Abe nalarin di USPH Society Executive Director Hank Hendrickson, dengaliwan directors at the Ambassador Anders, Graham Thomas, Brian Buzzell, Jason Lander at Lucille Ferreran. Metong menanggap miyembro ng US-Philippine Society Municipal Administrator Edgardo Yambao, Stakeholder and Education Advocate Chief Engineer Raul Manlapas, Department of Education Minalin District Supervisor Dr. Edna Severo, SRNHS Principal Ismael Nuki, Maritime TVL Coordinator Auxiliary Kenneth Navarro, at Minalin PNP Chief Police Major Lalaine Gopez. At sula naman deng ega-naganang school heads din public elementary schools. Metong yung satellite internet constellation ng Starlink katelakad na ng American Aerospace Company as SpaceX bang mamiyang broadband internet kareng gagamit keni. Samantala, biklat na ng National Historical Commission of the Philippines o NHCP, king publiko yung traveling exhibit a When Tables Are Turned king Museum of Philippine Social History king Angeles City. Highlight king exhibit ing placemaking, geography connections sa military tactics anyang panahon na ning revolusyon. Kaya bayay niking proyekto ning ahensya para king 125th anniversary of Philippine Independence and Nationhood 2023 to 2026. Joint project yan naman ning Local Historical Committees Network kambeng NHCP Museo ni Emilio Aguinaldo, Museo ni Marcela Marino at Felipe Agoncillo, Museo ng Libingan sa Ilalim ng Lupa ng Nagkarlan, Museo ni Mariano Ponce, Museo ni Marcelo H. Del Pilar, ating museo at aklata ni Diosdado Macapagal. Penimuna ng NHCP Commissioner Dr. Lino Dizon at Angeles City Vice Mayor Vicky Vega Cabigting, ing ribbon cutting ceremony niyang Webis a 29 na ning Pebrero. Tinagunla naman deng mayaliwang curator at personnel kareng NHCP Museums at mimyelang guided tour kareng attendees ning exhibit. Makabukla yung When Tables Are Turned ang gaking Abril. Kingaliwang balita, menyambut yung robotics team ng Pampanga State Agricultural University o PSAU king Philippine VEX Robotics National Championship. Aparte king tournament champion VEX-U title, ikwadere ning design award king mesabing kompetisyon, ang merapat king Xavier School San Juan king Manila anyang Webis a 29 na ning Pebrero. Pauli niti, magsilbilang representative ning bangsa king paparatang a World Robotics Championship king United States.
Next now, award to design award for the team PSAU 1 or PSAU Robotics. Congratulations! Congratulations for your organized and professional approach to the engineering design.
Ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.